What if I told you Toyota just built something that refuses to choose between a five-star hotel, valet, and a mountain that has never seen a paved road? Because this is not a normal SUV build. This is not another lifted truck with a few stickers and a loud exhaust. This is the kind of machine where every single upgrade feels intentional, aggressive, and almost personal, like the engineers were not just building a vehicle, they were building a statement. This is Auto Nexa Review, where we do not just look at spec sheets and repeat marketing lines. We look at what a build is really trying to prove. And this black beast, this fully transformed Toyota, is trying to prove something very specific. Luxury does not have to be soft. And off-road capability does not have to be ugly. Just look at it standing there. Matte black from nose to tail. No shine, no shouting, just presence. The kind of black that absorbs light instead of reflecting it. This is not paint for attention. This is paint for intimidation. The body kit is wider, more muscular, with flared fenders that hint at exactly how serious the suspension travel underneath really is. The front bumper is not decoration. It is armor, built for approach angles that most luxury SUVs would never dare attempt. The wheels tell their own story. Massive, aggressive, wrapped in all-terrain. Rubber that looks just as comfortable, crawling over boulders as it does sitting outside a rooftop restaurant. The ride height is raised not for show, but for real ground clearance, the kind that matters when the road disappears completely. Underneath, a reinforced skid plate protects the heart of the machine, because a build this serious expects to be tested, not just photographed. And here is where things get interesting, because the Black Beast is not sacrificing luxury to get this tough. Step inside and the story completely changes. The cabin is wrapped in deep black leather, contrast stitching, and brushed metal accents that feel more custom studio than factory line. This is where the build separates itself from every basic off-road mod job on the market. Most people think aggressive means stripped down. This build proves aggressive can still mean comfortable. The seats are reinforced, heated, ventilated, and shaped to hold you in place when the terrain gets unpredictable. The dashboard keeps Toyota's legendary simplicity, but the technology inside it has been pushed further, with a larger central display, upgraded off-road telemetry, real-time tilt and incline readouts, and a sound system tuned to feel just as powerful at idle in the driveway as it does echoing through a canyon. Now here's the feature that makes this build feel genuinely different. Under the hood, the engine has been reworked for serious low-end torque. The kind that does not care about smooth pavement. The kind built for crawling, climbing, and pushing through terrain that would stop a stock SUV in its tracks. Paired with a retuned suspension system, adjustable dampers, and a locking differential setup. This is not a Toyota pretending to be tough. This is a Toyota engineered to actually be tough. Think about that for a moment. Most luxury SUVs are built to feel confident on a smooth highway and nervous the moment gravel shows up. This build flips that entirely. It feels most alive exactly where other luxury vehicles start to panic. Steep inclines, loose rock, mud, sand, all of it becomes part of the vehicle's natural environment instead of an emergency situation. Safety and control have not been forgotten either. Underneath the aggressive exterior sits a full suite of driver assistance systems, upgraded braking for the added weight, reinforced tow points, and skid protection across every vulnerable panel underneath. The goal is simple: let the driver push harder without ever feeling reckless. Practicality still matters here too. This is still a Toyota at its core, which means reliability is not an afterthought. It is the foundation. The cargo area is built for real gear, real trips, real weekends away from cities and paved comfort zones. Storage is smart, access is easy, and everything about the interior, layout respects the fact that this vehicle is meant to actually be used, not just parked for photos. Compared to other off-road luxury builds on the market, the Black Beast does not try to win with badges or borrowed prestige. It wins by committing fully to one identity instead of trying to please everyone. Some builds lean too luxury and forget the off-road part. Some builds lean too aggressive and forget comfort completely. This one refuses to pick a side. And that refusal is exactly what makes it feel so different. So who is this build really for? It is for the driver who wants presence without needing to explain it. It is for the adventurer who refuses to sacrifice comfort for capability. It is for someone who sees a mountain and a 5-star driveway as 2 stops on the same trip, not 2 different lifestyles. It is for someone who wants their SUV to feel just as intentional at 70 miles an hour on a highway as it does crawling over rock at 2 miles an hour. And maybe that is the real story here. This is not just a modified Toyota. It is a message. It says reliability and aggression can share the same frame. It says black does not have to mean plain, and rugged does not have to mean uncomfortable. The Black Beast does not feel like a build trying to impress you for 5 minutes. It feels like a build that was made to actually go somewhere, so when people ask if this is just another lifted SUV with a black wrap, the answer is no. This is Toyota's DNA, pushed further, made darker, made stronger, and made ready for terrain most luxury vehicles will never see. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give the video a like, subscribe to AutoNexa Review for more cinematic build breakdowns, and tell me in the comments, would you take this Black Beast off-road first, or straight into the city to turn heads?